Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday to you. You're going to see this on Wednesday, June 12. And happy day. We're going to do one of these. These are the ones I've chosen already. I told you that on the last video. That was the one we did last. Zep dots. Let's do, what do we feel like doing? I don't know. Let's do that one. This one's called Tentom. Let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see that. That's helpful. All right, so we're going to do we're going to do a squiggly line. Up and down. See her squiggly line down here is just whatever squiggle we want, right? And then on that squiggly line, on the either end of the squiggly line, we can put a little loop. Unless, of course, we join it together. And then we're going to do little crosshatch bits all along the line. Okay? And then, looks like we just do a little bit of rounding in those little bits right there. And then we put a dot at the end of each of those so it ends up looking like that. And we can make them farther apart or closer together, however we want to do. So, let me stand this up so I can have that available to me. I'm not sure where I want to put it. I guess I'm just going to go in order here. We're going to do this one, and should I do it as like she did, like just in a round? Or should I do them like coming out this way? Ooh, that would be good. Maybe I'll do that. Is that in the middle? I want to find the middle. But I don't want to make a big mark. Let's make just a little mark like that. Doesn't have to be exactly in the middle, but somewhere near the middle, like this. And then we can do a something like that. This one's a little off. Let's go more like that. Gently erase what I don't want. Okay, something like that. We're going to make it like a spidery webby like thing. You're a little bit close. There we go. Can you see that? Let's put a loop at the end and just kind of go like this all the way through with a loop at the end. Just like that. And like that. All right. That looks good. I'm going to erase the pencil marks that I didn't use. Just gently. Don't want to rub off any of my color in the background. How are you guys today? I am drawing this over Memorial Day weekend. You like my nails? Very U.S. flaggy today. And it's cold. It isn't even 60 degrees yet this morning. And it's not going to get very much warmer today. Let's see. What does my watch say today is going to be? Today is going to be, yeah, it's only 57, and it's going to get, come on, where's my forecast? Does it tell me? Oh, 76. It says it's going to get 76 today, but I don't know. It's already mid-morning, and it's not even close. Okay, so let's do some lines. Like so, different angles. Frankenstein stitches. Like that. And then we just round those over. Put a dot at each end. I'll make it a little longer. Just like that. That's all there is to this one. We scheduled ourselves another cruise, which is so exciting. I love to have at least one cruise on the books, ready to go. Unfortunately, it's only a quick 3-night cruise, weekend cruise. I don't usually do weekend cruises. There's more bang for our buck if we take at least a 5-day cruise. 7-day cruises or longer are more economical. But because it's costing us almost as much for the 3-day cruise as it did for our last 7-day cruise. And we're not even in a balcony. We're in a ocean view, which means we have a room with a window, but we can't open the door, can't go outside. That's okay. It's only 3 days. But my youngest niece is turning 21. And she wanted to go on a cruise for her birthday, but she couldn't get away for a whole week. School, work, you know, all the things. So, weekend it is, because we want to support her and celebrate her big day. She is such a sweetheart. And it's not going to be for a couple of months yet, but we're trying to get all the fam that can come all booked. The cruise is almost sold out. Well, maybe not. The cruise has limited availability for those of us who are not. The cruise lines do hold blocks of rooms for travel agents and for special groups like casino groups, because my one of my other nieces and my sister-in-law, when they go on to the website to see what cabins are available, they get more choice than what I got or my son got or our other friends got. There's more choice for them. And then we got, so I don't know how actually sold out the cruise is, but it's getting pretty full. There wasn't a whole lot of options. Usually when we book like years in advance, and there's lots of options. So it's going to be a pretty good sized group. I believe we're going to have how many? Right now, for sure, we have 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and probably 14 of us going. That's the current options. 14 of us going, which is really cool. I'm excited. But since it's only a 3-day cruise, I'm not going to pack a whole lot. Probably going to pack what I'll wear an outfit, pack one formal night outfit, and just take a couple of t-shirts and a swimsuit, and that's it. I could probably pack in a carry-on. And because our room comes with an upper bunk and not just a fold-out sofa, our son's going to join us in our cabin so that he doesn't have to do a room by himself, which is like double the price. So he's just being added onto our cabin. We wouldn't normally do that either, but for 3 days we can do that. He can climb to the upper bunk for 3 days. since he's going to be there with all of his cousins, they will probably spend most of their evenings playing games. They like to bring board games, card games to the Lido deck and play games and eat pizza or deli sandwiches into the wee hours of the morning. So my guess is they'll sleep all afternoon and play games all evening, which is good. That's fine. So we won't see much of him anyway. Because I'll be the party pooper who goes to bed early. I'll stay up as late as I can, but I will probably be the party pooper who goes to bed early. Okay, one more. This is an easy one. Ooh, I need to make a new. We have a door decoration that has a list of all of the cruises that we've been on. I need to update that so that when we go, it has the current cruise on it. I need to remember to do that. Okay, that's all there is to this particular pattern. Look at that. We're going to do that. This one is called Tentom. And I'm going to leave it this direction because it doesn't really matter. You guys can see it either way, but that will make a nicer thumbnail. There we go. Pretty simple one. You guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something fun for somebody today. Make the world a better place. This is Tentom. Write that down on my calendar. And yeah, you guys have a blessed one. I will see you on the next video where we will move along to the yellow page. And we're just going to go around until we're done. All right. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.